Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best lamp sets that are available on the market for their true quality. I put this list together based on my personal experience and hours of research. I ranked them by popularity, quality, price, durability, user reviews, and more. If you'd like more details or want to see the latest prices, be sure to check the description below, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews. Alright, let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Friendship Lamp FriendLi by Filimin. The Friendship Lamp. FriendLi offers a unique way to stay connected with loved ones no matter the distance. It requires a small monthly or yearly subscription fee, which unlocks useful features like a lifetime warranty and remote touch access, ensuring your lamp works smoothly and reliably. You can personalize your lamp with over 250 color options, making it a special and meaningful gift. Plus, this lamp supports group connectivity, allowing you to link with multiple friends or family members at once. This makes it perfect for keeping close ties with your best friends, family, or long-distance partner through simple touch and light. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Friendship Lamp by Filimin Modern. The Filimin Friendship Touch Lamps help you stay connected with loved ones no matter the distance. These lamps are perfect for keeping close bonds with family, friends, or partners who live far away. You don't need any subscription to use them. Simply connect via 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and share warm light signals. With over 250 colors to choose from, you can personalize your lamp to match your style or mood. Plus, the lamps support group connections, so you can link multiple lamps for families or friend groups. These features make the Filimin Friendship Touch Lamps a meaningful and fun way to brighten your relationships. At number 3, we have the LuvLink Friendship Lamp V2.0. The LuvLink touch lamps let you stay close to loved ones no matter the distance. With a simple tap on one lamp, the other instantly lights up, helping you share moments with family, friends, or partners far away. These lamps work worldwide and allow you to create custom light codes through the easy-to-use LuvLink app, so you can send special messages like "Good night" or "I miss you." Setting up the lamps is quick and hassle-free, requiring only Bluetooth and Wi-Fi with no subscription fees. Plus, they come in gift-ready packaging, making them a thoughtful present to brighten anyone's day. At number 2, we have the VINO Light Bottle Lamp Kit with Glass Drill Bit. The VINO Light Bottle Lamp is a ready-to-use kit that makes turning your favorite bottle into a stylish lamp easy and fun. You simply push down one of the included corks to fit your bottle perfectly, so no complicated setup is needed. This kit is great if you want to showcase a special drink or create a unique decoration from a memorable bottle. It fits all kinds of bottles, from wine and whiskey to soda or beer, thanks to 3 different cork sizes. Plus, it comes with quality parts and a glass drill bit, so you can even hide the lamp cord inside the bottle for a cleaner look. And finally, at number 1, we have the PartageiZ Black Touch Table Lamp Set. PartageiZ Touch Lamps set offers touch control for easy brightness adjustments, USB ports for charging multiple devices simultaneously, included LED bulbs for eye protection, and easy plug-and-play setup. The touch-sensitive sensors allow you to switch between 3 brightness levels with a simple touch, making it ideal for reading, working, or creating a cozy ambiance. The USB ports and outlets make charging your electronics convenient, while the included LED bulbs ensure no flicker lighting, protecting your eyes and providing a comfortable environment. Thanks for watching. That's all for now. I hope to see you in the next video. Until next time.